How to view Facebook without an account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about if we can view Facebook without an account or not. So even though you can't fully use Facebook as a guest to interact or like or comment, you need an account. However, you can view the public profiles and pages without one. So first thing, just head over to your any web browser and simply search it for facebook.com and just tap on this first link. So if it redirects you to Facebook application, just make sure you have successfully logged out from your Facebook account by simply heading over to this hamburger icon at the top right corner and just select this logout button from scrolling down and just click on yes. And simply again head back to the browser and just tap on this Facebook, and it will ask you to enter your login ID or choose your multiple accounts if you have one, and you just have to basically choose it to actually view it. So there's actually no direct option to actually use Facebook as a guest mode, so you can actually view other people's Facebook profile if you have the link for that particular person's profile. Let's say if I've copied my Facebook account of some particular persons on online, so I can simply search in for that and just tap on that particular link to actually view that particular person's profile without actually logging in. So since I've correctly logged in, it will automatically open the Facebook account. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.